Welcome to an Empower PL video tutorial. We have a form that is ready to send out to our end users. As you can see on the screen, we've got our graphics, we've got our font, our color choices, all of our questions are ready to go. We've already customized the settings, so the last thing we want to do is to send this out to our end users. So our end users really are the people that are filling out our form, right? So I want to send this out, and there's different ways in which you can do that. The really simple, easy way to be able to get a link to send to people either via email or in a group chat, or perhaps even to link in a Google document or even on a website or anything like that, is to simply come up here to the top and click on the little icon for preview. And this is going to show us, first off, what our form actually looks like, which allows us to confirm that everything looks good. But really what you need here up at the very top is just this link that's up here. So I can copy that link and then email that out or link it, like I said, in a doc or in a website. So that's one way to certainly share your form. The other one, which you probably noticed, there's a big purple button up here near the top right-hand side that says send. So we can click on this button. And this is going to allow us to actually add email addresses directly on here. And so if we add email addresses here, what's going to happen is this is going to go directly to the email addresses of those people. And what's nice about that is that they get it right in their email, and they can even answer all the questions right in the email itself without necessarily having to launch the actual form itself. So that's quite nice. You can customize this subject. It'll default to the title of your form or quiz, but you can certainly change that here right now. So I can call this, something else. You can also change the message. It defaults to I've invited you to fill out a form. You could say, here's the form requesting the following bits of information, or here is your exam. You've got blah, 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 right? So you can add that in there. And notice you can select the box here that says include form in the email, allowing us to actually include this directly in there. And that's what I was just talking about earlier, in that you're able to include this so that people fill it out directly in their email. You can also say up here at the top, you've got several options. So you've got the link, and here you can say shorten link if you want to be able to use a shorter link and copy and paste that again into an email, or link it on a doc, etc. So you've got an option to do that. And of course, if you have a website and you want to embed this as a form on your website where people are requesting information, they're maybe filling out a tech help ticket, for support, things like that, you can get the embed code to be able to do that. And lastly, of course, if this is a more public type of survey or form that you've created, you can share it on Twitter as well as on Facebook. So those are your options. I'm going to go back to email here. Those are your options. Once you've completed, if you're doing the email or any of these other options, you'll notice that here, for example, if you're doing email, once you've completed adding who it's being sent to you, then you just click on the send button, and that's going to go out to your users. So that is how you share your Google form via the link, like I said, or send it directly from within Google Forms so that your end users can then fill out and complete your form.